Hello my little ones, welcome back to e-learning class. Today I am here with your subject English. In that today we will do reading. In reading what we will do today? Let's see the sound of alphabets that we have already learned. So today we will revise some of the alphabets, okay? And so this is revision part 1. So I have taken few alphabets to revise, okay? We will say A to Z, okay? So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See, I am not singing rhyme, okay? I am saying A to Z. Like this way you have to say. Most of you are singing A, B, C, D. Oh, no like that, okay? You have to say A, B, C. Now, let's say A, B, C, D with sounds as we are doing, okay? Capital A, small a. See, this is train of alphabet. Can you see? So, let's travel in that. Capital A, small a. A says, yes, tell me, come on, now you all know, right? A says A. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital C, small c. C says ka. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital E, small e. E says, yes, two sounds are there. E says A and E says E, right? Now, capital F, small f. F says fa. Capital G, small g. G says ga. Capital H, small h. H says, yes, H says ha. Capital I, small I. I says I. Or I says E. Two sounds are there. Capital J, small j. J says ja. Capital K, small k. K says ka. Capital L, small l. L says la. Capital M, small m. M says ma. After M, which letter is this? N. Capital N, small n. N says na. Capital O, small o. O says O. Capital P, small p. P says pa. Capital Q, small q. Q says qua. Capital R, small r. R says ra. Capital S, small s. S says sa. Capital T, small t. T says ta. Now after T, which letter is this? Yes, U. Capital U, small u. U says, two sounds are there. U says U and U says A, right? Capital U, small u. U says U or U says A. Capital V, small v. V says va. Capital W, small w. W says wa. Capital X, small x. X says xa. Capital Y, small y. Y says ya. Capital Z, small z. Z says za. Very good, children. Now, let's see which alphabet is this? A. A for, let's see the pictures. Apple. A for apple. A for X. A for alligator. A for ant. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. What is the sound of A? Yes, A says A. A says A. Now next letter is B. Let's see the pictures. B for bell. B for ball. B for butterfly. And B for boy. B for bell, B for ball, B for butterfly and B for boy. Now let's see. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. What is the sound of B? B says ba. B says ba. Now next one is C. C for, which animal is this? Cat. C for cat. C for cow. Cow is a domestic animal, right? You must have learned in GK. What is this? Cake. Yummy, yummy cake. C for cake. Now C for computer and C for car. C for cat, C for cow, C for cake, C for computer and C for car. Let's see. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. What is the sound of C? C says ka. C says ka. Next letter is D. D for dog. D for dustbin. D for doll. D for donut and D for duck. So children, D for dog, D for dustbin, D for doll, D for donut and D for duck. This is capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. What is the sound of D? D says da. D says da. Next one is, yes, E for elephant. E for egg. E for engine and E for eagle. E for elephant, E for egg, E for engine, E for eagle. This is capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. What is the sound of E? E says E. E says A. Two sounds are there, right? Next one is F. F for, recall your memory. See, F for frog. F for fish. F for fan. And F for flower. F for frog. F for fan. F for fish. And F for flower. This is capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. And what is the sound of F? F says fa. F says fa. Now children, today we have revised the sounds of letter A, B, C, D, E and F. So what you have to do? Yes, you have to first say the alphabets A to Z and then you have to say capital A, small a. A says A. Capital B, small b. B says ba. Capital C, small c. C says ka. Capital D, small d. D says da. Capital E, small e. E says A and E says E. Two sounds are there. Capital F, small f. Like this way you have to say the alphabets and A to Z and sounds. And we did today. Yes, we have first said the alphabet A to Z and then we have revised some of the alphabet with pictures and also of their sounds. So revise all the pictures and sounds and learn them properly. Bye. Have a nice day.